Hi guys, welcome back and join me here in the top secret research facility, aka my sister's drive. And in this episode, we're going to clean up the centre stand and side stand mounting and the centre stand and side stand ready for painting. Hi guys. My hands smell of metal. That's probably because I've been handling metal, but there we go. So yes, welcome back, and as I said, we're going to clean up the side stand, centre stand. My visor's just gone for a flight, and the centre stand mounting, so that we can then put it back on the bike and start reconstructing the back end of the bike. But obviously I want to paint them first because they're in pretty shocking condition, and I'm utilising my Aqua Blaster because I've been experimenting with it and I found a way for it to work. I personally thought about using some water, and at the same time Barry also thought of the same thing as well. So I tried that, it didn't work as well, but I think I have actually got the hang of it and got the knack of it, so I can actually use it, and I'm using it. It's working out pretty brilliantly, actually, I've got to say. So before we go any further, don't forget guys, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up, don't forget to turn on your notifications, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I trample all over this grit. I have a safety visor this time, so I am not going to get splattered in the face by all this stuff, because it's horrible. Oh, hang on, I forgot to put my hood up. As it goes in your hair and everything. It's nasty stuff. Oh, excuse me. Well, I stick my hood up. And, of course, my microphone cable's in the way, as it would be. There we go. That's going to stop it from getting in my hair. And that's going to stop it from flying into my face while I'm doing this. Now, I'm just going to show you this actually while I'm waiting. I've done that earlier on with my experimentation, and it's come out really well. I'm quite impressed with that. So we'll see what happens when we hit that with some 320. So, as I said, I'm going to do this mounting. I'm going to do that, so it's going to get noisy, obviously, because I'm going to be using a pressure washer. So here we go. Visor makes a huge difference, it really does. There we go, and that's turned out pretty cool as well. So I'm going to do this side now, and then that's pretty much done, and it can go for some sanding and some painting. I think I need to get inside here a bit as well, so let's do that bit there. Now I've got the hang of this, it's working quite good. Oh, visor. And as you can see, it's done a pretty decent job of that. It really has. It's going to look lovely on the back on the bike. I'm impressed with that, especially now I've got the hang of how to work it. Right, that will need to get cleaned off with the grit. Now, let's see what we can do with our lovely centre stand here, and if we can return it to a nice looking centre stand. There we go. Ooh, my visors fell down. There's grit everywhere now. Now that has done a pretty decent job on that. Excuse me, my hose has gone all funny. Oh, sprung a leak. Alright guys, I've sprung a leak. So now because I've sprung a leak, I shall, I'm going to have to say goodbye. I'm going to wash this and come back to you at a later date when these are all done and it's all polished and well, it's all painted rather, should I say. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry it's been very short, but I've sprung a leak.